Okay, so let's look at question number 1 from 2023 integrated science, a question on the human body. So it's saying the diagram shows the male reproductive system. The diagram shows the male reproductive system. Question A, identify the parts labeled I and K. Identify the parts labeled I and K. So part I is the urethra. Part I, urethra. Part K, testes or testicles. Part I, urethra. K, testes. Question B, which labeled part, Roman numeral 1, is used to deposit male gametes into the female reproductive organ? Which labeled part is used to deposit male gametes into the female reproductive organ? So the part which is responsible for depositing male gametes or sperm cells into the female reproductive organ is the penis, which is part J. So the answer is J. The answer is J. Question B, Roman numeral 2, which labeled part shows where male gametes are formed? Which labeled part shows where male gametes are formed? So where are male gametes, or where are sperms formed, or where are they produced? So when they say where are they formed, the question is like it's saying where are male gametes produced? So male gametes, we're talking about sperms. So where are sperm cells produced? So sperm cells are produced in the testes, which is part K. So the answer in this case, we just write K. Question C. So question C is saying which labeled part in the diagram is also found in the female reproductive system? Which labeled part in the diagram is also found in the female reproductive system? So they want us to identify a structure in the male reproductive system in this diagram, which is also found in the female reproductive system. So in this case, the answer is urethra, which is I. You can also mention H, which is the urinary bladder. Okay, so the answer is I, urethra. Urethra is also found in the female reproductive system. So the answer is I. Then question D is saying name one part found in the female reproductive system with similar functions to that of the part labeled K. Name one part found in the female reproductive system with similar functions to that of the part labeled K. So they want us to identify a part in the male reproductive in the female reproductive system which has got similar function to part K, which is the testes. So which female reproductive part has got similar functions with the testes? So let's look at the function of the testes. The testes has got two functions. Number 1, they produce male gametes, or they produce a male sex cell or sperms. Number 2, the testes, they produce hormones. They produce hormone testosterone. Then the part of the female reproductive system which also has similar functions as the testes is the ovary. So the answer is the ovary, because the function of the ovary, number 1, the ovary produces female gametes or female sex cell, and the ovary it also produces or secretes hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Okay, so the testis produces male gametes, the ovary produces female gametes. The testis produces hormone testosterone. The ovary produces hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. So, the part found in the female reproductive system with similar functions to that of part K is the ovary. So, the answer is ovary.